Three things to live a passionate lifestyle. Number one, prioritize health and wellness. Make your physical and mental well-being a priority. Engage in regular exercise, eat nourishing foods, get enough sleeps, and practice mindfulness to nurture your overall health. Number two, continuous learning. Cultivate a growth mindset by committing to lifelong learning. Seek out new experiences, acquire new skills, and explore different interests. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and expansion. Number three, practice forgiveness. Release any grudges or resentment that may be holding you back. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and embrace self-compassion. Similarly, forgive others for any perceived wrongs and let go of negative emotions. Would you like to continue your passionate lifestyle or financial harmony journey? I have a private community. If you want to join, comment below me. I will give details. Thank you.